2019 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, compass, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, panic alarm, overhead console. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.